How to find blocked people on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here to your Facebook application and you will be led here to your homepage, right? Now, the next thing that you're gonna do is on the bottom part, you'll see these six options. You'll see home, video, friends, marketplace, notifications, and menu. Click on the three dash lines there or three lines or the menu. Now, it will lead you here, and then all you have to do is to scroll down up until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on that and go to Settings. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to scroll all the way down up until you see the audience and visibility section. Now, under there, on the bottom part of that selection, you will see blockings. Click on blocking. Now, here you will now find the people that you have blocked on Facebook. As you can see, I have one, and you can even tap on unblock here if you want to unblock them or even add more people to block. And basically, that is it. That is how you find blocked people on Facebook, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.